Friends of the Elderly exists to try and help people who are living in isolated circumstances, who have no close neighbours, whose family are scattered, and who are really depending on people to reach out to them, so that we can offer them a chance for social engagement. And we also encourage very much and help to provide one-to-one friendship between an elderly person and a young volunteer. People who have been isolated for quite some time, maybe seldom leaving the house, come to occasions like this, and we have many other celebrations during the year. We have approximately 200 volunteers and 500 elderly. We depend entirely on donations and bequests from the public. We really do appreciate every donation that we get.
As well as people coming here, they go out and visit people. The people who are able to come along every Wednesday. We have a sing-song, the call-up singers, and they all dance. Most of them dance. And they enjoy themselves every Wednesday, and we always, it makes us feel good, you know.
It's amazing the way it feels when somebody is so good to you, you know, it means an awful lot. We're all friends, you know, everybody is one, you know.
Oh, the volunteers, I mean, they're terrific. They're all pleasant people, that's why they're picked. I mean, you wouldn't want anybody grumpy doing a job like that. But they're so helpful. And really what I'd like to say is, I would like to take this opportunity to thank management and all the volunteers for giving me a wonderful day here with the lovely food and conversation and companionship and everybody like that. All the friends of the elderly, I want to say thank you, thank you, thank you.